how to add the home electricity rates widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on Edit, and from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. In here, we scroll down, and then tap on Home. Next, swipe across until you see it say Electricity Rates. Then go down and tap on Add Widget. And this will allow you to add the widget to the home screen. After that, tap on the Done button. So here, if you tap on the widget, it will allow you to set your home location. So here, quickly see how your electricity is priced at the moment it is set to home. So tap on Done after that. Now, if you want to view more information, you need to go into your home application and you need to set up your electricity account with the home application. Once it has been set up, then from your widget, you will be able to view your data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.